Okay, hello everyone. So in this lecture, we will tell you how you will get the access of the crash course, right? So basically, most of the students have enrolled in crash course plus mock test combo, right? So what happens is whatever the crash course that we have, we will put that crash course in UG crash course only. So the crash course thing you need to access from crash course only, whereas mock test you will receive a separate email which will be having the credential. So exam.iiitprep.com is a separate website where we will be conducting the mock test series. So just go on to the login for accessing the mock test series. Check your email for the login credentials. Mostly enter your email ID here, and for password enter the password that has been shared. Mostly you will receive the email within 5 to 10 minutes of your purchase, right? What happens is when you go to the your account, my accounts, whether you are using this website on the phone or desktop, you will get somewhere my account, right? Open the menu my account, go to the enroll courses. Either go to the enroll courses or there is a button to start learning. You might get the button as continue learning if you already have started, right? So you just need to click on start learning, right? So this is a crash course only, so you will click on it, this option, so the crash course will be visible to you. But the thing is, if you have purchased the crash course plus mock test series, just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. You will be automatically enrolled in crash course only, right? You have paid for this thing only, but you will be automatically enrolled in this because the lectures will be coming over this. You don't need to use this. You need to purchase this and you need to use this. And for mock test, you will receive a different email ID, right? So you have purchased this. You just go to the enroll courses and just click on the UGE 2022 crash course only, right? So the same page opens over there. There are actually two things, like let's suppose you want to view the introduction lecture, like resources to follow. So you just need to click on that. This is one of the method. Just click on the video, but take a note that you should open this the crash course only, right? Because crash course only has the video. So this is how the panels come over, then this is how the video is being played. I will mute for it right now, right? So this is how the video is being played in this frame, right? This is how you can access the sessions. You can open the lecture LCD lecture 4, right, in this way, and here you can ask your doubts. Apart from that, what most of the students are doing is they can also click on start learning, and they will get the access of the LMS, like that is what is our learning management system. And there's a tracking option also. Let's suppose there is an PNC lecture 1, like concept lecture 1 is there. After every certain number of lectures, you have a quiz also there, so you need to attempt the quiz also. It's good to attempt. When you will click on the lecture will open, right? One thing that you can do is there's a mark as complete. So once this video lecture is completed by you, just click on mark as complete. So as soon as you click on mark as complete, it will tick down here, so you can track your process, like track your entire progress of the crash course also, right? The most of the thing which are facing confusion is they are opening the crash course only like combo package, and they are clicking that option like continue learning or crash like start learning in the crash course only. We already have mentioned the lectures, the video lectures, the course will continue in crash course only, right? This is the combo package, this is the combo course. So even you go to, let's suppose, LCD1, you will find nothing over there. The video will not be played over there. The main reason is quite simple, because the videos will be available in the crash course only. So how you will navigate to the crash course, just open the website and log in over there, log in onto the website, go to the dashboard, go to the enroll courses. Well, guide it once. Yeah, just go to the dashboard. This is how the website opens. Remember to open the courses.iiitprep.com, go to the enroll courses. So there is another option, enroll courses, here as well, right? You just need to open the enroll courses there. As soon as the enroll courses will be open, you will be getting two different courses over there. You need to select the crash course only. That's the simple thing, right? All doubts will be resolved, all the queries will be resolved. Use the crash course only thing. As soon as you will click over there, the entire whatever the course is there, that will be visible, right? You just need to click on continue learning. The same is in the mobile itself, right? The only thing is this panel, like continue learning button, is on the right side on the desktop, on the laptop, right? If you will use the mobile phone, this will be on the bottom most side, right? On the at the ending of the web page this will be there, right? So there is not a very huge difference between all those things. This is how you will get the panel. In mobile phone, what happens is like this is how it opens, right? So you will see that there is no video, there is nothing. How can I change? Just click on here, this arrow buttons. You will find the different sections like probability, lecture 2. Here you can open the quiz also. Let's suppose you have opened the quiz. So you are opening the quiz over there. You can start the quiz from here. Talking about the analytics of quiz, you will get the button that itself. One thing that you can do is just go to the dashboard. Once you go to the dashboard, here you will get the PDF lecture notes also. Right now they are not there, but we'll update it as soon as possible. Go to my quiz attempts. In the my quiz attempts, you will actually get the analysis of the quiz, like how the score, how many went wrong, how many went correct, right? All those details in the my quiz attempts. Order history will be having the order details. This is what is a my quiz attempt. This is a dummy data that we have. So like series and progression. Let's suppose you want to get details of this thing. Let's suppose series and progression quiz practice. So there are two quizzes, like practice quizzes is there and beginner quizzes is there. So this is how you get the analytics of like how many got correct, what was the correct answer, what is your score, everything. So this is what is our LMS, right? Many of the students are having difficulty because they are actually opening the crash course and mock test series combo. The thing is quite simple. When you purchase crash course and mock test series, you automatically get enrolled in crash course only, right? So you need to watch the video from that, and for mock test series you will receive a different email. Those students who are enrolling in crash course, only thing they will not receive the mock test credential. This is how the system is working right now. Hope you all of the most of the doubts get cleared. Even if anyone is having doubts, they can text us at WhatsApp on 79723489944. That's all for today. Thank you.